to do a video of this. I have actually opened the parcel, and then I thought, well, others might be interested in this. This is from TEMU. I have seen them online for the last couple of weeks, and I must admit, I thought, oh, this is dodgy. Like these things that they're showing, they're just so cheap. And then I saw a review of a few craft products, and they didn't look too bad. So you know what? I thought, okay, I'll give it a go. Now, firstly, this arrived super quick. I ordered this parcel Thursday last week, which was the 11th of May. And then I actually did a second order the very next day because I got a coupon that I wanted to use. And with that coupon, I bought a few more things. And what they have done is they've rolled both orders in together, which is really good. Now, it arrived today, which is the 19th of May, so it took 8 days. So that's pretty spectacular, and everything is in here. I've just gone back and checked my order, and everything was here. So this is how it arrived from Couriers Please. Everything was just thrown in higgledy-piggledy, but everything seems to be okay. So I'll just go through and I'll show what I bought, and it's into a few different categories. So this one here is a craft. That's an explosion box. So I'll go through these in a little bit more detail. This one here, this was a scarf that I bought for myself. I bought a few scarves. There's another scarf, and this is my third scarf. So I'll open them up after this one so you can see what the quality is like. These are some shoe caddies. I got these we're just about to do a cruise, and it's quite a long cruise, so I wanted to make sure we got somewhere to put our shoes out of the way, because that is something that we have found. So that one's for my husband, that one is for me. Now, I bought this one for my husband. Now, this is the only thing that I would say that is slightly different to what I ordered. It was a very colourful hat because he loves colourful things, but there weren't any eyes on it. So I'm not sure how he's going to feel about the eyes, but anyway, it was cheap. This is also for the hubby. This is a nautical theme t-shirt for his cruise. I bought quite a few craft things that I'll go through in a bit more detail. So that's a little craft bag there. These are for the cruise. Now these, at the moment, my first impression, very impressed. This is a vest with matching tie and I think a kerchief. So those ones are a bit more on, I wouldn't say expensive, but they weren't cheap. And then I got a matching blue one. Again, for the cruise, I got these towel things. Now, be wary, when you buy these, they only come as one, but obviously you need two. So I made sure that I ordered two, but they were really cheap. I'll go back and tell the prices when I go through in a little bit more details, but they're our towel clips. Now, this is a shirt. Now, I've seen these shirts before online and really liked them, but they must have been through another company and they were American and they wanted to do US dollars and it was real painful. All of this was Australian dollars, which is fantastic. So you know what you're paying, and there's no nasty shocks at checkout like other things that you buy. Okay, that's another dress that I bought for myself. That's another t-shirt I bought for myself. I'll just move some of these things to the side. And then we get a bit more into the crafty things. I got some needles, some flowers, a cutting die, a float for on our cruise, a little pin, some more craft dies, small craft little knick-knacky things, more dies, more dies, more dies. Okay, so there we go. So that's it. That's the bag. So that's all good. So as I said, first impressions, I'm very happy.